I'm Eugene Souleiman and I am backstage at the Stella McCartney presentation for Autumn/Winter 2021. Using Dyson backstage for me is fantastic because the technology is incredible. One of the tools which I find absolutely fantastic is the Corrale straightening iron. I love the fact, that it's cordless, which means I can take it anywhere as a session hairdresser and use it. So Sasha, we blew her hair out with a Supersonic hairdryer. Afterwards, we used that Corrale straightening iron and we went from the roots all the way to the ends of her hair. We want it to feel straight and perfect, but also quite effortless. I like to be kind to people and I like to be kind to their hair, and anything that can support my ethos as a hairdresser and as a human being, I absolutely love.